Yo, what's happening? Dog, man. Back up in here. Hold on. It's too much. Back up in here with another one of them things, man. Today, we out here on the cam dog, man. The cam dog been down for a little minute because I did some research, found out, and I was trying to figure out like what was going on with the oil on here, which this still might not be the problem, but I think I narrowed it down to, because all of the codes that were thrown, I narrowed it down to it's exhaust. It's the VVT sprocket, VVT exhaust sprocket, VVT cam exhaust sprocket. And the car is making a real bad rattling noise. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I gotta take all this good stuff off of here, man, because it's she gotta get back in her car, man. I know car been down for a little while now, so yeah, we gotta get that back together. So, man, your dog Beelo, me, is about to handle that. So this is the sprocket right here, which I'm gonna take it out and show y'all when I take it out the car anyway. But I watched a video. It's exhaust set. What happens, I think this spring breaks or something, and it be in there. The spring right here break, and it be in there just doing whatever it want to do. It could have been some other things too. There's a like a oil, I don't remember the name of it, so don't quote me on it. It's like a oil filter type that's inside under the valve cover here, and it's well, actually, it's this solenoid right here. It's this right here. This goes bad, and it'll make everything else mess up. So I don't think that's bad. I might come back and change it. I don't think that's bad because, like I said, the rattling ain't got nothing to do with that. If that is bad, the rattling still is from the cam, the sprocket that's on the cam. So we gotta go in here, take all this off, take the cam off, take the cam out, take that sprocket off, put it back on, put it back in. So yeah, I'm gonna try to keep y'all updated as much as I can on what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. First we gotta get all of this stuff here off. Well, not this over here, but probably not this bracket either. I don't think I need to take this bracket off. And this is another one of those oil sensors right here too. This the one that go on this side, so that one. I think both of them on this. I ain't sure. I watched the video on it, and the guy was pretty much, you know what I'm saying, he gave very, very, very in-depth information on how to do this. So I'm really finna just go by his guide. I'm finna take all this stuff off. They did say once you do this, it will be cool to change the oil. So I'm probably change the oil as well. And I'm already on here looking at other stuff to do, like take this air breathe off and put like another filter on here. Like I'm already looking at that type of stuff, because I mean if we can squeeze 2 more horsepower out of this little joint, it'll be cool. I need to clean up on this hood too though. Like I definitely need to clean up on this hood. But other than that, like it's really, like it's cool. So yeah, let me go ahead and get to work, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for coming through, taking time out your busy day to pay attention to my jibber jabber to what I got going on. All the new subscribers, what's going on? My name is Beelo. Welcome to the BeeloNation YouTube channel. Yeah, so that's where we at, man. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. I done took a break and everything, but what this is. stuff. Yeah. So got the valve cover off, which I need to clean it up. I need to check. I kind of want to check those. I need to sit that on something else. Just sitting on those sensors. I don't think it's those oil sensors. But yeah, we off. So this one right here. This is the one that's got to get changed. So yeah, Kane gonna come back and help me since he the Toyota technician. So I need to get as much off as I can before he got something to do. So he gonna come back. So try to get as much off of this as I can. And yeah, get that done. What else? Yeah, they're trying to show y'all this process, man. Like I said, I've been looking at this video, so I ain't give an in-depth video, but you know what I'm saying. Of course you got all these bolts here, all these bolts all around. You got to unplug all your sensors. These holes here is where your coils go. You got the bolts for the coils, so you're taking out this bolt, this bolt, this bolt. I'm just putting them back so I can remember where they go. Take them bolts out. This is where the plug get your top cover, the little cover that plugs. But your harness screws to this right here and right here. Kind side, I gotta take the tire off because there's a little plate down there. It's a little plate. Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a little plate right down here. Got 4 bolts in it. Look like 10mm bolts. Look like it, I don't know. But you gotta take those out. Take that out to release the tension off of the timing chain here. Yeah, it look like that jump broke too. This joint here. I gotta look at the other one. But yeah. We in there. Hopefully I shouldn't see no more damage, but yeah. This spring moving. I don't think it's supposed to be moving. I'm gonna look at this other one right quick. But anyway, yeah, man, we got this out. So if I don't finish up today, I'll for sure probably finish up tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully everything is back to normal. I definitely got to clean up under this hood because this is terrible. I shouldn't have let this get like this. I be scared to clean up on the hood though, like I just really do. But I gotta do this because it look bad up under here. And this shouldn't even look like this up on her car. Up on her hood. So yeah, I was also looking at air intakes and all this stuff too, because I don't want to keep that big box up on here. Take all this stuff out. But yeah, man, this is where we at. Exhaust cam VVT sprocket, man, right here is damaged. They known to blow up, so it's a common thing on Toyotas. So if your car, when you crank it up and it's rattling, you know what I'm saying, it stop, 9 times out of 10 this right here is what it is. The video I'm looking at is on a 2011 Camry, but I'm assuming all of them with the VVT stuff is prone to this because these parts are they weak parts. So yeah, let me get back to work and I'll hit y'all in a second. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Animal himself. Man, I'm coming in here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog done set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah. So we done moved the harness out the way somewhat. I got this out. Kang brought me a tool for that. And I got that plate off down there. That's for the tensioner for the that's the tensioner for the timing chain. So yeah, at this point I'm just waiting on Kang, you know what I'm saying, so we can come back and finish it, wrapping everything up. Cause I gotta get my flashlight. They were talking about something about top dead center and all that, and I don't really know nothing about all that, so I don't wanna try to be playing, you know what I'm saying, trying to be playing with all that right there, and I don't know nothing about it, you know what I mean? So I mean, I'm sure I could probably look it up, but he was talking about, that dude was talking about some these ridges right here, and then it's supposed to be a line, like a little mark back here, which I don't see no mark. Guess I should clean that off right there, because the mark was right up in here. So I guess I should clean it off to see if there's a mark back there, to put the motor at top dead center. And yeah, see how he did that, because I ain't sure. But yeah, this where we at, man. This is my stopping point, because I don't know, you know what I'm saying, I ain't real familiar with this. I'm just out here, you know what I'm saying, really trying to learn, and because it's not no extremely hard job. Like it ain't hard. It's just, you know what I'm saying, it's just something that I ain't never done before. So that's just where we are with it, because it's just something I ain't never done before. So yeah, but anyway, probably pull y'all back in, man, when Kane get around here, which will probably be tomorrow. He'll probably come back in the morning or something. We're gonna knock it out, and yeah, let y'all see what we got.